Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to our channel. Today our topic for this video is equation of motions. As we all know that equation of motion play a vital role in the field of mechanics. Therefore the derivation is also a very important part. So here we will prove first equation of motion by calculus method and by algebraic method. So let's start. The first expression for acceleration, as we all know, that is the rate of change of velocity, and by arranging this expression we will get a dt is equal to dv. Now integrating on both sides by using their respective upper limit and lower limit, we will get this expression. And we all know that a is a constant value, so it will come outside and the remaining part will be 1. So the integration of 1 is t, and for right hand side there already 1 is available. We will integrate 1 and the integration will be v. This is the key integration formula for constant integration, so we will apply the formula here. So now as we all know that the integration of 1 is a t with respect to dt, and for respect to dv the integration of r is dv. So by putting their upper limit and lower limit, we will get a bracket t minus 0 is equal to u v minus u. So by arranging this we will get at is equal to v minus u, and the final form of first equation is v is equal to u plus at, where v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, and at is acceleration and time. This is our first equation of motion that we are doing for this video. Now by using algebraic method it is quite simple. By using some step you will prove by using some step. This is the algebraic expression explanation. The same formula as acceleration is rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So by elaborating this formula, v, which is final velocity, minus u over t, by rearranging this formula t will multiply the factor t will multiply with a, and the next step by rearranging this equation we will get the first equation that is available on this side. So this is a very quite simple algebraic explanation for first equation of motion. As we all know that this is the first equation motion, so henceforth we can say this is the first equation of motion by using algebraic method. Hopefully you will enjoy video a lot. Please do watching our channel, and thank you.